Welcome back to Deco Bloom, where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary sanctuaries. Today, we're bringing the magic of Parisian elegance right into your home, no matter how small. If you've ever dreamed of living in a chic French apartment, this video will show you exactly how to capture that luxurious, cozy aesthetic in any space. Let's dive in. This compact galley kitchen showcases how smart design elevates small spaces into luxury zones. The star of this kitchen is the pristine marble countertops with delicate gray veining that catches light beautifully throughout the day. We've chosen brass cabinet hardware to add warmth and sophistication, while the sculptural range hood becomes an unexpected focal point. The three-layer lighting design ensures this space is as functional as it is beautiful, creating perfect ambience whether you're preparing breakfast or hosting intimate dinner parties. First impressions matter, and this entryway delivers instant Parisian glamour. The oversized gilded mirror is the hero piece here, strategically placed to reflect light and visually double your space. Paired with a slimline console table, we've created storage without sacrificing precious floor area. Fresh flowers add life and fragrance, welcoming you home each day. The layered warm lighting bounces off the mirror's gold frame, creating an inviting glow that sets the tone for your entire apartment. Step into this bathroom sanctuary where Neo Deco glamour meets spa-like serenity. The geometric Art Deco tiles create visual drama underfoot while maintaining timeless elegance. We've styled fluffy rolled towels in glass apothecary jars, transforming everyday essentials into decorative displays. The warm mahogany shelving adds richness against marble surfaces, while brass fixtures develop a beautiful patina over time. Multiple light sources, including candles, create that luxurious spa atmosphere, making your daily routine feel like a five-star hotel experience. This living room embraces the 2026 trend of chromatic deepening with rich forest green walls that create cozy sophistication. The deep ochre velvet cushions add warmth and textural interest against the neutral sofa. Notice how the three-layer lighting design enhances these saturated colors, creating different moods throughout the day. The antique marble coffee table provides contrast, while the cream moldings frame this space beautifully. This color palette proves bold, doesn't mean overwhelming when executed with Parisian restraint and elegance. Intimate dining takes center stage in this perfectly proportioned nook. The round marble-top table encourages conversation and connection, while cane-back chairs add texture without visual weight. The sculptural vertigo-style pendant-lit is our showstopper, drawing eyes upward and creating focal point drama. The warm layered lighting transforms meals into special occasions, whether it's morning coffee or evening wine. This setup proves you don't need a separate dining room to create memorable dining experiences in true Parisian style. Welcome to your personal boutique hotel sanctuary where luxury bedding takes center stage. We've layered plush, ivory linens with dusky rose accents and sumptuous velvet cushions to create that hotel bed you never want to leave. The three-layer lighting design allows you to adjust ambience from bright morning energy to romantic evening glow. Original ceiling moldings add architectural character, while the herringbone floors ground the space. Sheer curtains filter light beautifully, maintaining privacy while keeping the room feeling airy and luminous. Productivity meets Parisian elegance in this inspiring home office. The marble-top desk provides a luxurious work surface that makes even Monday mornings feel special. We've incorporated biophilic elements including a fiddle leaf fig and fresh herbs, bringing living energy that actually improves focus and well-being. The brass task lighting is fully adjustable for optimal working conditions. Notice how the three-layer illumination eliminates shadows while maintaining warmth. Open shelving keeps essentials accessible while displaying beautiful objects that inspire creativity throughout your workday. This master bedroom showcases how window treatments transform spaces from ordinary to extraordinary. The floor-to-ceiling powder blue damask curtains create vertical drama and luxurious softness. We've paired them with elegant boiserie-style timber wall paneling for architectural depth. The crystal chandelier anchors the room, while silk-shaded bedside lamps provide reading light. Three-layer illumination creates romantic ambience perfect for unwinding. The plush, tufted headboard invites you to sink in, making this bedroom a true escape from daily stress. This kitchen proves that compact doesn't mean compromising on style. The breakfast bar topped with creamy limestone becomes a casual dining spot and prep area. Above, sculptural amber pendant lights provide task lighting while serving as art pieces. We've maximized functionality with open shelving that displays beautiful glassware and elegant candles. The brass hardware adds warmth throughout, while three-layer lighting ensures this space glows beautifully morning through evening. Under cabinet lighting illuminates work surfaces perfectly for meal preparation. This entryway embraces the Parisian love of art and curation. The original honey-toned herringbone parquet flooring sets an elegant foundation that instantly signals luxury. We've created a mini gallery wall with abstract black and white photography in slim gold frames, making this transitional space feel intentional. The sculptural modern console provides storage while displaying fresh seasonal flowers. Three-layer lighting, including picture lights, ensures each piece is properly illuminated, creating a museum-quality experience right as you enter your home. Serenity and sophistication merge in this bathroom vanity design. The sage-colored lime plaster walls create a soft, organic backdrop that feels both modern and timeless. Unpolished brass fixtures develop a beautiful living patina that adds character over time. Fresh eucalyptus stems bring spa-like fragrance and visual interest. The white marble countertops provide classic elegance, while brass wall sconces flanking the mirror deliver flattering task lighting. Layered with ambient fixtures and candles, this vanity creates a tranquil morning routine. This living room centers around the stunning bubble glass chandelier that creates magical light patterns throughout the space. The neutral velvet sectional offers generous seating without overwhelming the room, while layered wool rugs add warmth and define zones. Three-layer lighting, including brass table lamps, creates flexible ambience for everything from morning coffee to evening entertaining. Gold-framed mirrors multiply light and space, while fresh florals bring life and color. This room balances statement pieces with restrained elegance perfectly. Even the smallest balcony can become a cherished retreat with thoughtful styling. This wrought iron bistro set captures quintessential Parisian cafe culture right outside your door. Cascading planters overflow with greenery, creating a lush urban garden feel. String lights transform evenings into magical moments, while candle lanterns add intimate warmth. The three-layer lighting approach extends from interior through this outdoor space, making it feel like a natural extension of your home. This petite terrace proves outdoor living is possible anywhere. Architectural details take center stage in this bedroom, where the ornate ceiling medallion frames an oversized paper lantern pendant. This unexpected pairing of traditional and modern elements creates sophisticated visual interest. The bed is dressed simply in ivory linens, allowing the soft gray mohair throws to add textural warmth. Three-layer lighting lets you adjust from bright morning light to soft evening glow. The cream walls and parquet floors provide a serene backdrop, making this bedroom feel both grand and restful. This dining area embraces Neo Deco warmth, with dark walnut chairs upholstered in rust-colored linen that feels both rich and inviting. The marble table provides classic elegance, while sculptural ceramic vases add artistic flair. Rust napkins coordinate beautifully, creating a cohesive color story. The amber glass pendant chandelier casts warm golden light perfect for dinner parties. Combined with wall sconces and ambient lighting, this three-layer approach creates intimate atmosphere. The herringbone floors and cream walls balance these warmer tones perfectly. This living room masterfully demonstrates the Parisian art of mixing eras and styles. The original marble fireplace provides historical gravitas, while the minimalist glass coffee table adds contemporary lightness. Contemporary abstract art above the mantel bridges old and new. Three-layer lighting, including a modern brass chandelier, creates flexible ambience, while the fireplace glow adds natural warmth. This eclectic approach requires confidence but results in spaces with depth, character, and personality that purely coordinated rooms simply cannot achieve. Your guests deserve hotel-quality comfort, and this room delivers understated Parisian elegance. Crisp white linens provide that fresh, clean feeling everyone loves, while faded lilac pillows add gentle color without overwhelming. Brass candlesticks on nightstands create romantic ambience and functional task lighting. The three-layer illumination design includes a delicate pendant, bedside lamps, and ambient wall sconces for complete flexibility. Soft gray walls and cream curtains maintain the restrained palette, creating a peaceful multi-use space perfect for overnight visitors. Maximize every inch with this brilliant Banquette breakfast nook solution. Built-in velvet seating and soft taupe provides comfortable dining without chairs taking up valuable floor space. The round pedestal table allows easy movement around it, while the FSC-certified oak flooring adds natural warmth and sustainability. The sculptural pendant above creates focal point drama and task lighting. Combined with under-cabinet and ambient fixtures, the three-layer lighting design ensures perfect illumination for morning coffee through evening meals in this space-saving Parisian solution. And there you have it, stunning ways to infuse Parisian luxury into your small space. Remember, it's all about layered textures, warm lighting, quality materials, and that perfect mix of old and new. Which room transformation inspired you most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Deco Bloom for more decorating inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next transformation. Until next time, stay stylish,